Hello, my name is Shitiz and today I am in the park. It is 6 o'clock and for a long time I've been thinking that I should get up early in the morning and start jogging, but I just couldn't do it. So I was doing in the evening, but for last 1 month I wasn't even doing that because I was thinking I was wasting my time in doing this and I should concentrate more on reading books, writing articles and doing all those kind of things. But lately I've decided that you have to work on your body. There were migraine pains that I was having and there was so much itching inside my body, and I was seeing doctor again and again for one reason or another. I decided that I have to do something about my body and I have to get up early in the morning. Actually, I haven't slept because I was working the entire night. I was writing few things, I was writing few scripts, I was writing few synopses to submit them into a contest. So I don't sleep at night, and it's a beautiful park as you can see, and I've decided that I'm going to come every day here and I'm going to make a vlog out of it. I'm going to post it every morning, and if I don't do that, you can tell me to go ahead and start doing it, because this is the kind of commitment that I've made to myself, that I'm going to do it, and that's it. So it's the most motivational thing that I do, and I listen to motivational music all the time. So there are lots of motivational lectures that I've downloaded, and I'm listening to them and they motivate me. So there are lectures of Tony Robbins, Bob Proctor, Les Brown, Rock, Dwayne Johnson, as you may have listened to him previously about bodybuilding and all those kind of things. Now I might not be a bodybuilder, I might not want to be a bodybuilder, but a six-pack ab is something that everyone wants, and it's something very difficult to have, but still I would like to have a good body and good everything. So I two days before I got demotivated and I just couldn't figure it out why I was not doing anything. So I read this book called Obstacles, and I was reading a lot of motivational articles just to motivate myself and to get back on the track of writing and doing things that I wanted to do. And I always feel that there's a sense of urgency because I don't have time. I want to get successful, I want to become a rich guy, and nothing is going on right now except that I'm making all the efforts and everything is on faith. And as every motivational guru, every inspirational man always say that everything works on faith. You have to keep doing what you're doing, and you have to keep doing even though you don't see any results coming. You have to do it on the faith, but you got to keep moving. You can just to keep picking yourself up and dragging yourself to the other end of the success, and one day everything will just combine together. It will make you successful. But that is my goal actually, to become successful, and for that I will do a lot of effort. I'm going to do a lot of hard work, and whatever it takes to become successful. So that's it for today. So I'm going to come back tomorrow and I'm going to make another vlog, and I hope you will like it. So keep checking out my blogs and keep posting comments, and if you want to interact with me, keep posting the comments and I will interact with you. Thank you.